Just go to income tax website. So the URL is incometax.gov.in, and here on the left hand side you can click on ePay tax. It will route you to eportal.incometax.gov.in. Enter your PAN number and mobile number and click on continue. You will get an OTP. Submit the OTP and click on continue. Once you log in, you will be able to see this page. You will have to select the appropriate income tax section on which you want to pay the tax. So most of us, if you are doing the self-assessment tax while filing your ITR, you will have to select this self-assessment tax 300. So click on proceed. Select the assessment year. So for us, it will be 2024, 2025. Type of payment. This will be self-assessment tax 300. Here you have to fill in the details of the tax which you have to pay, and you can check your income tax ITR page. You will see how much tax is due for you and you can fill in the details here. So I filled in the value. This is the income tax website ITR total amount due, and I'll click on continue. So if you look here, you have various options to make the payment: net banking, debit card, payment at bank counter, RTGS, NEFT, and payment using UPI and credit card, and make the payment. Once you click on SBI, click on continue. It will take you to the preview page. You can verify all the details here before making the payment. Once you have verified everything, you can click on pay now. Read the terms and conditions, click on the checkbox and submit to bank. You can make the payment during the daytime after 12:15 a.m. in the night. So I tried it again during the working hours and I was able to generate the challan. Please remember to like, subscribe and share if you found it useful. Bye.